Hi everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my 3-year Sisterlock update. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, so I am so excited to give you all this update about my hair. Many of you all have been following my channel since the very beginning of my journey when I first started having issues, going through the big chop, having relaxer issues, then getting my Sisterlocks and kind of walking along the way. So I thank you all so much. And it's just kind of funny to think back to that and to see where I am now because so much has changed with my locks as they've grown, and you all have kind of been with the ups and downs with the postpartum shedding and the alopecia and things like this. But for where I am right now, actually I just got home from my retie. So my loctician Ariel, she always does such an amazing job. So I got my retie. I posted a picture in the community tab about me being 7 weeks post retie. I ended up unfortunately having to reschedule my 6-week appointment due to a little bit of a hiccup I had with my personal scheduling. So I had to get it pushed back a week, and I swear I had like an entire afro at my scalp. But we're here now, and I'm very grateful. And not only did I get a retie, I actually got a trim, but just to kind of get rid of some of my uneven, edges so that they could kind of be a little more even. It felt really good to get them evened up a little bit because, I want the growth and everything, but I want my locks to look like neat. I want them to look like together. So I kind of feel like I have that right now. So I'm really excited and feeling really good. My alopecia, I posted a small short update. It's doing so well and even better after the last update that I've given. I have little to no pain in my scalp, which is awesome. I haven't felt that way in a while. I was actually able to scratch my scalp because it was a little itchy. It's been a little dry with everything going on with the winter. It was kind of funny, the sensation. I was kind of scratching it, like being so careful because I was like, ooh, I don't want to irritate it. But I said, I'm going to enjoy this scratching for a little bit. It didn't hurt at all, which it's kind of like funny, the things that you take for granted until you have some sort of thing happen that kind of takes something you're used to away. But just being able to scratch my scalp, I didn't go crazy with it, but just to scratch my scalp and not have pain, it was just such a wonderful thing. And so I'm just trying to, as I've stated before, just keep on with my healthy habits so that my hair continues to, and my scalp can get healthier and healthier. Speaking of healthy hair and healthy scalp, it's been unseasonably cold here in Dallas. We've had some freezes. We had like a little bit of dusting of snow, which was just like, oh gosh, what is this out here? I want to act like I'm somebody who doesn't know, but being born and raised in Chicago, I know a whole lot about snow and winter, more than anybody would ever want to know. So my scalp and my skin always, when it's really cold, just responds. My hands get really dry, cracky, scaly. I end up actually using one of my doctor's recommended Eucerin. This has actually like helped my scalp so much. Sorry, not my scalp, my hands. When they get so dry in the wintertime, because I'm always washing my hands. For my scalp, I've actually started using oils for my scalp. I have found adding oils to my scalp to be kind of irritating since I was diagnosed with alopecia. But since my scalp is doing better now, I am kind of lightly using some squalane oil, and I'm using some rose hip oil, maybe a couple times a week, because I am still using my serums at night that were prescribed from my dermatologist to treat my alopecia. So if it feels like it's getting a little too dry, then I just kind of will use like a 1 vial dropper and slowly drop around and slowly massage in. And that's been helping me get through the winter. So my washing schedule right now, I have found that my locks really love twice a week. So I'm doing twice a week with the Head and Shoulder shampoo that I talked about to my dermatologist about. And some people with my form of alopecia have found that it really helps to control the inflammation. So even though I am not no longer taking my scalp serum that helps with the inflammation, I still am using a shampoo that helps with inflammation. I only leave it on for about 60 seconds because if I leave it on for too long, it almost has an opposite effect and starts to become irritating. But 60 seconds is long enough just for my scalp, just one, suds through with the Head and Shoulders, rinse that out. And then I use my moisturizing shampoo, and my scalp has been very happy with that. And my hair has been very happy too, because it is growing like crazy right now. So my hair goals for this year, if I can continue, God willing, to keep my alopecia in a great place, I just want to grow, grow, grow. So I feel like I'm in a good place for them to just kind of go down, lengthwise. And I would love to. I don't know where I'm gonna be by the end of the year, but if I was right here, you couldn't tell me nothing. But whatever I get, I'll be grateful for it. If you have any other questions about my hair, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll respond. But thanks for watching my update, and take care. Bye.